Here we'll divide 2 1/3 by 1 1/6, and we'll write a mixed numeral for the answer. When we divide mixed numerals, we must first change the mixed numerals to fraction notation. 2 1/3 in fraction notation is, the numerator will be 2 times 3 plus 1, or 7, and the denominator will be 3, divided by, now we change 1 1/6 to fraction notation. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 1 is 7. That becomes the numerator. The denominator will be 6. Now, in order to divide fractions, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we have 7/3 times 6/7. Now we can multiply numerators and multiply denominators. We have 7 times 6 over 3 times 7. And we factor to see if we can simplify. 6 can be factored as 2 times 3. So I write 7 times 2 times 3 over 3 times 7. Now I need to factor out a 7 and a 3 in the numerator and a 7 and a 3 in the denominator. I notice that when I factor out the 7 and a 3, I will be left with nothing in the denominator, so I'm going to add a factor of 1 so you can see how this works. I have 7 times 3 over 7 times 3 times 2 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. 7 times 3 over 7 times 3 is 1. 2 over 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 has no fractional parts, so it is in the correct form, and it is the quotient of 2 1/3 and 1 1/6.